a plant so we can show. The circle of the plant, the face of the plant, and the ears of the plant. And now we're going to have to label them. Like make the arrows with it. Here. Now we made the arrow so we can write which part of plant it is. We'll make a whiteboard, then we write each part of plant in it. For the first word bank. Word bank. Word bank that we showed you, and now let's get started with our part of plant work. This is a flower, so we need to do from the arrow flower. Here's leaves because it makes the arrow and it shows what is this. Here, now we are done with our part of plants. This is how we do a part of plant.
So you didn't tell us what is the second and third one is.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
Okay. Stem.
Okay.
Stem is that which hold the plant living. From flower and leaf, leaf is also a part of plant. And stem also is a very special thing of plant. If flower was there, then it should be having a stem. Some flowers do not have a stem.
What was the last one?
But if flower don't have a stem, flower petals used to get off. Now, roots are which we grow with. The roots attach with the stem, and then it makes a plant with it. Roots are the necessary of it. If roots were not there, it could not be a proper plant. So that's why this is a part of plant. And there's also something special for us. Parts of plant can also make food. Like flower is cauliflower. And everybody can eat cauliflower soup also. And leaf. Leaf is mint leaf that we coriander. It's called when it's food. It's called coriander. So, stem. Okay, stem is something different by it. So, we'll watch about it. And roots are like onions, kind of, from this. And also, stem can also be carrot, or roots can be
No,
also
carrot is a root, and the sugar cane is a stem. Yeah.
Sugar cane is stem,
And the carrot is root.
and carrot
Carrot-
is roots.
Carrot comes from root. Yeah.
It also comes in shops. So